Today we have the Elite Force 1911 Tactical magazine, pretty good, and we're going to be filling up with, this is a CO2 gun. Yeah, let's get this with some CO2. Cut CO2, 0.12 grams, pretty sure. And this is the little tool it came with. And here we go. And I have noticed whenever you're shooting this, the magazine gets very cold for some reason. Okay, put this in, just like that. The metal slide on this, everything's metal by the way, and it's pretty powerful because everything's metal and it has to pull the big metal slide back. Some BBs in it. And this magazine is broken because I did buy it as a Amazon return at some store, but I might get a new one, an extended one. Oh no. And I think this magazine does hold about 14 little BBs. Put the magazine in. Safety off. Now I'm just going to be aiming at that mailbox right there. The trigger response is insane. It's pretty quick. It's pretty good for $135, but I think this is a pretty good gun for starting. I would not add any accessories or attachments on it. I would first go to a airsoft field, play at least 1 or 2 games, and then see if you need any like accessories or something. But I think this gun is already pretty good alone, so you really don't have to do too much to it. But let's get another one in. So this thing is great. Magazine in. Get my bullets in. Go. I'm not going to be aiming at the smaller target right about there. It's just a little tube sticking out the ground, so we're going to see if we can hit it. There we go. I'd say this gun's pretty good. I was shooting 0.2 gram BBs, and it's pretty good. Mag's pretty cold, but